Hi, just wanted to show you the Sweet on You trio card kit from Creative Memories and how quick and easy it is to put these cards together if you need a quick Valentine card to give either a grandchild or a son or daughter. Excuse me, I am getting over a sickness, so I hope I don't sound too odd. But anyway, we're going to start with this, start with this card here. Okay, we have the cherry base, the stripe with the cute little scallops. I already adhered that. And I want to pop these up, though you don't have to. So let me pull up some of my pop-up tape. And I'm just going to go ahead and just add a little bit dimension to the elements. And everything is numbered on the back, so you know what items or what elements go to what bases. Again, you can mix and match. It doesn't have to be exactly like this. I don't know, I think that kind of looks cute in the corner, actually. I'm going to put that down there. And then you were so sweet. I think I'll just pop that down there as well. Okay. Also pop up that element. 2 little pieces of foam tape. Hope your Saturday's going well. This week hasn't been the best for me. I got hit by that flu, so it hasn't been super fun. So we'll go ahead and pop that on. And we'll go ahead, and then it also comes with your card bases and envelopes. So we'll go ahead and take out that card base. Little glue. You can use your favorite adhesive, whatever you like. This little silicone mat has this little edging, which I like. You can just pop everything up against there so you know everything is nice and even. Okay, and there you go. Card 1 is complete. You can write a little something inside. Okay, put that to the side. And then this next card, strawberries. This is Love You Very Much, and that is using the polka dot with this red wood grain background. Again, if you're unsure, everything is labeled on the back, 1A, 1B, so it's pretty easy. If your kids wanted to get involved, or your grandkids, they can easily join along with you and put these together very easily. That down. And then we have the visual, and then we also, again, everything is labeled. These 2 I may put down and then just pop up the center one. So are you big on making Valentine cards? Do you skip them? Is it something you enjoy doing, or you could rather put your crafty talents elsewhere? And this one will pop up. I pop this one up as well. It has been so cold here. I don't know where you're all located, but I mean, even Florida and Alabama, it's been crazy with the snow. I think even Texas got hit, but it's been so bitter cold here in the Northeast. I'll just put that there. And I might add a little red ribbon later on too. So again, get another card base that comes with the kit. I'm going to tuck that in the corner. Card 2 is done. And then lastly, we have the love card. We have the graph paper base, pink confetti scalloped mat. Try not to get crazy with the measurements. Sometimes I look at things and I'm like, oh, they seem a little bit off and they bother me, but not today. I'm glad I'm just up and walking. That glue will dry. I'm kind of making a mess. That just shows you things do not have to be perfect. Oh boy. Glue all over my fingers. Not good. Take the rubber eraser afterwards too and go over those little areas. And then I will pop the little heart up over the O. There's a foam tape here. Take our final card base. That in the corner here. I like these little silicone mats because you can easily wipe them clean with any glue or anything. So, okay, again, press it down, and card 3 is done. Okay, very simple. You saw how quickly those came together. Again, this would be fun to do with your grandkids, your kids. Pop a little gift card in there or a little treat. You can attach the card. And again, it comes with these bonus pieces, which I'm going to go ahead and pull out some paper and see if there's something I can show you for Scrap Sunday. If you have any questions, give me a call. No, give me a call. Okay, go ahead and feel free to DM me. You can check out my website. It has links to both my Creative Memories site and my Forever site. You can just go to KarenAnnJohnson.com, and I'd be happy to help you with any of your crafting or digital scrapbooking needs. Okay, I hope your Saturday is fantastic. Have a great day.